If you're having trouble verifying your identity on DoorDash, follow these steps to successfully complete the process. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve verification issues. Step 1. Check your information. Ensure that the personal information you provided matches the details on your identification document. This includes your name, address, and date of birth. Step 2. Use a valid ID. Make sure you are using a valid form of identification. Acceptable forms typically include a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure the ID is not expired. Step 3. Take clear photos. When submitting your ID, take clear and well-lit photos. Ensure that all text and details on the ID are legible and that there are no glare or shadows obscuring any part of the document. Step 4. Follow instructions carefully. Pay close attention to the verification instructions provided by DoorDash. Ensure you are following each step as outlined, including any specific requirements for the type of ID you are using. Step 5. Contact support if needed. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with identity verification on DoorDash. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.